In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a stop loss on MetaTrader 4. Now, the first way you could do this is when you're placing a new order. So go to the top and click on New Order, or just open the order window however you want. There's a few methods. From here, you can select your symbol, the volume, and then below volume, you can see stop loss. You can just set your stop loss either by using the arrows over here or by typing it in manually. Then you can also add a comment and select your order type and click on buy or sell, and you've set a stop loss to your order. Now, if you already have an open order, you could go and double click on that order. So as you can see, I have one down here. I'm going to double click on it. And then from here, of course, you can see I could also add a stop loss. Now, if I go over here, not all of them are going to allow this. So you have to switch from modify order to, for example, instant execution, and then you'll be able to do this. Okay. And of course, that's how you do it. You can add it up here and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.